In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change number in foodpanda. I will walk you through each click so you can update your contact number without getting stuck or confused. First, open your browser and search foodpanda. Type foodpanda into the search bar, then wait for the search results to load. On most devices, you will see several results that mention foodpanda food delivery. A beginner tip here: if you see a language or country mentioned next to foodpanda, that just means it is tailored to your region and will still work fine. Once the results are visible, click the correct link. You want the official foodpanda website, not an ad for a different service. The correct link usually has the foodpanda name, a short description about ordering food, and the familiar pink branding. After you click it, the foodpanda homepage loads and you should see options to log in or start ordering, often near the top right. Now, click Login. This button is usually at the top of the page, and it might stand out with a simple contrasting color. After you click it, a login window or page appears asking for your account details. Take a moment to confirm you actually see the foodpanda logo and the login fields, so you know you are signing in to the real site and not a random page. After you are logged in, tap on your name or view profile right at the top of the menu. On many accounts, your name appears in the upper corner, and when you click it, you get a small drop-down menu. In that menu, you should see View Profile. Choose it, and you are taken to your account profile page, where your personal details like name, email, and phone number are listed together. Beginners often miss that this is the only place where contact info can be changed for all future orders. Next, locate your phone number. Scroll the profile page slowly until you see a field labeled Phone, Mobile, or Contact Number. It will show the number foodpanda currently uses to reach you, including the country code if one is saved. Seeing your existing number here confirms that you are editing the correct account, which is especially helpful if you manage more than one foodpanda login. With your number located, erase your old number, select your country code, and type in your new mobile number, then click Save. First, clear the existing digits so the field is empty. Then open the country code list and choose the correct one for your current phone. This ensures verification texts and calls reach the right network. Now type your new mobile number carefully, checking each digit for mistakes. When you click Save, the page refreshes or shows a short confirmation, and the new number now appears in the phone field. You have now successfully updated your foodpanda phone number so future orders and confirmations go to the right device. So if this helped you fix your number, please tap thumbs up, and if you want more quick foodpanda tips like this, consider subscribing.